In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant VGK SYS blue screen error. A simple restart can sometimes fix the issue. After restarting, check if Valorant launches properly. If the error persists, move to the next step. Click on the Start menu and type Services. Press Enter to open the Services Manager. Scroll down and locate VGC. Double-click on VGC to open its properties. If the startup type is set to manual, change it to automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Double-click on VGC again and click Start. Wait for it to load, then click OK and exit. If it also doesn't help, open the Start menu and type CMD and run as administrator. Click Yes to confirm. Type the following command and press Enter. Net space start space VGK. If the command runs successfully, try opening Valorant. If it fails, move to the next step. Uninstall Valorant. Then restart your PC. Download and reinstall Valorant from the official Riot Games website. Launch Valorant and check if the error is resolved. That's it. These steps should help fix the Valorant VGK.SYS blue screen error. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.